Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make multiple poached eggs. First, select a wide, shallow pot, ideally one that is at least 10 inches in diameter, to give your eggs ample space. Fill the pot with about 2 to 3 inches of water, ensuring there is enough depth for the eggs to be fully submerged. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to the water. This helps the egg whites set quickly and maintain their shape. Bring the water to a gentle simmer, with small bubbles forming at the bottom, but avoid a vigorous boil. Now, let's prepare our eggs for poaching. Crack each egg individually into a small ramekin or a shallow bowl. This allows you to check for any shell fragments and ensures each egg is intact. For a perfectly neat poached egg, gently pour each egg through a fine mesh sieve for about 10 to 15 seconds. This removes the thin, watery part of the egg white, leaving only the thicker, more cohesive white. Prepare all the eggs you intend to poach before moving to the next step. With your water at a gentle simmer, it's time to add the eggs. Carefully slide each prepared egg into the water, one at a time, ensuring they do not touch each other. If you are poaching more than 4 eggs, it is best to work in 2 separate batches to avoid overcrowding the pot. Cook the eggs for approximately 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk and set whites. Throughout the cooking process, maintain that consistent, gentle simmer, adjusting the heat as necessary. Once your eggs have cooked to your desired doneness, it's time to remove them. Use a slotted spoon to gently lift each egg from the water, allowing any excess water to drain away. For an even drier finish, you can briefly place the eggs on a paper towel-lined plate. Immediately season your beautifully poached eggs with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Serve them warm on toast with avocado or as part of a delicious breakfast spread. Enjoy your perfectly poached eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.